What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Car Collective, the channel where we don't just talk about cars, we live them, breathe them, and obsess over every single detail so you don't have to. I'm so glad you're here today because what I'm about to show you might just be the most jaw-dropping, category-redefining machine to come out of the automotive world in years. We are talking about the 2026/2027 Corvette C10 SUV. And yes, you heard that right. Corvette SUV. And honestly, it might be perfect. Now, before we get into it, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because we cover the most elite, most exciting, most talked about cars on the planet, and today is absolutely no exception. And if you've been rocking with us for a while, you already know what time it is. Let's get into this thing. So let's start with the exterior because from the moment you lay eyes on this car, you know something is different. This isn't just a luxury SUV wearing a sports badge. This is a full-blown statement. The body is wrapped in this deep, flawless gloss black finish, the kind of black that doesn't just absorb light, it commands the entire space around it. There's an aggressive wide-body kit on here that gives the whole car this planted, muscular stance. And when you combine that with the carbon fiber accents running across the lower trim, the side skirts, and around the wheel arches, you've got something that looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel and signed off by someone who takes performance very, very seriously. The front fascia is sharp and angular. Those LED daytime running lights cut through the face of the car like lightning bolts, and the front splitter is functional, not just decorative. You can tell this thing was designed to move air with purpose. The hood has these aggressive vents that give it a sense of aggression even when it's sitting completely still, and the grille work is deep and dramatic, letting you know the engine behind it means business. Now swing around to the rear, and I promise you, this view from the back quarter is one of the best angles on any SUV ever built. Those taillights, connected across the full width of the car, glow with this razor-thin precision that looks absolutely stunning, especially at night against a city skyline. The rear diffuser is massive, multi-element carbon fiber, and the whole back end just looks like it's ready to launch. The carbon fiber spoiler mounted on the roof finishes the silhouette and gives the car a roofline that honestly looks more like a coupe than an SUV. That's intentional. That's brilliant design. Those wheels, matte black, multi-spoke, massive, fill every single inch of those wheel arches, and they are wrapped in performance rubber that tells you everything you need to know about how this car behaves when you put your foot down. Now let's step inside because this interior is where the Corvette DNA really takes over. The moment you open that door and drop yourself into the driver's seat, you're greeted by this beautifully executed cockpit-style layout. Dark leather, nearly black, paired with deep Bordeaux red accents that run through the stitching, the seat bolsters, the door panels, and even the trim pieces. It's moody, it's luxurious, and it's unmistakably performance-oriented. The contrast between that rich red and the carbon fiber center console is absolutely stunning. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, wrapped in leather, with that iconic, crossed flag emblem sitting front and center, a constant reminder of the legacy this machine carries. The driver's display is fully digital, and the infotainment screen in the center is large, clean, and intuitive. You get everything you need right where you need it, and the layout feels like it was designed for someone who actually drives, not just someone who wants to be seen driving. The carbon fiber detail work throughout the cabin is meticulous. Center tunnel, door inserts, dashboard trim, all of it perfectly executed. Every surface you touch feels intentional. Every material choice feels premium. This is not a car that cuts corners on the inside just because the outside looks expensive. And let's talk about what we expect under that hood. Because if the name Corvette means anything, it means power. We're expecting a twin turbocharged V8 setup, potentially pushing well beyond 700 horsepower, paired with all-wheel drive and active suspension that can turn this full-sized SUV into a car that handles like something half its size. That's the Corvette promise. Unexpected performance packaged in something you never saw coming. The 2026/2027 Corvette C10 SUV is what happens when American performance engineering stops playing it safe. It's bold, it's beautiful, it's fast, and it is absolutely loaded with character. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this one, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel more than you know. Drop in the comments below what you think about the C10 SUV. Are you buying one? Would you daily drive this beast? I want to hear from you. And as always, whether you're watching from your driveway, your office, or your garage surrounded by machines you love, this has been the Car Collective. We'll see you in the next one. Stay passionate, stay curious, and never stop loving cars. Peace.